How to connect n8n with Microsoft Teams. So to do that, first head over to your n8n right there. Then click on this plus icon that will appear. Click onto the search and search right here for Teams or Microsoft Teams. Here we have Microsoft Teams right there, so click on it and you can see right here the actions that you can use. So on my case, let me head over and then create right here or create a chat message or get messages. You can also choose right here to update tasks or get many tasks. So once you have chosen right here the action, you can see right here the select credential. Click on this and click on this create new. And this will actually ask for this one. So here you can see the following permissions. Click on this connect my account. And then this will open right here this window wherein you will be asked to sign into your actual account. So from there, just make sure to sign in. Once you have signed in, you should be able to just use this as usual. And in here, just change or just modify the parameters that you want to use for this particular workflow. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.